All right, here's the B25 Gibson. It's a 66 to 69, somewhere in that range. We've got the original neck. The replacement neck was made by Mr. Sam Skinner. It's been refretted. It is an X-brace B25. The adjustable saddle was filled in and a new single piece saddle was put in, bone saddle, new bone nut, new frets. The old fretboard was used. It's got a new fake logo here, but the tuners are the original tuners, original Cluson strap tuners. He put a little bit of a volute on there. Did a great job on the neck. I mean, it feels good. And that's it, the B25.